Guys, another video, ironx. This will be my last one for this guy. Pretty much it's the best way I clean the wheels with this product. So you spray it on, leave it on for a little bit, and what I did was I take my wet towel and then I clean it. This is my end result on the first rinse of it, and pretty much while it's still liquid like this, what I like to do is just clean everything that I'm supposed to clean with it, and then I can get it really super nice and clean. Maybe if I do a second round. This video should take about 2 or 3 minutes, so it's not that long. But if you wanted to see this guy, this product in action in real time, this would be the video to see. So real time action, 1 minute and 10 seconds. I'm just wiping everything off. I wish I would have figured this out when I had the other wheel still dirty, but you guys can watch the other videos that I have on this product, ironx, and see how dirty the actual wheels were. So on the first spray, I put the product on, I let it sit for about 2 minutes. I cleaned another one of my wheels and pretty much left it there. And then when on the start of this video, I sprayed it again just so that it's a little bit wet like this while I'm working everything with a towel, with a wet towel. And then now I'm gonna rinse the stuff off. And that is actually the best way I have found to use this product over here. And yeah, so with that wheel looking like that, I would say that this is one of the best wheel cleaners that I have used, ironx. Amazon link will be on the description. And thanks for watching. That's amazing.